Hi, are you wondering what a backlink gap is? Look no further. In this video, I will explain what backlink gaps are and how you can use this technique to find great backlink opportunities. In short, a backlink gap is a difference in the number of backlinks that you have versus what your competition has. For example, you may find out that several of your competitors have a backlink on a specific website, but you don't. Why do they all have it, but you don't? If they manage to get this backlink, surely you should be able to as well, right? And you are maybe expected to have it as well. If you can see it, surely Google can see it too. However, not all links are created equal. When researching for backlink gaps, you should only consider valuable links, not ones from websites with low metrics. Long story short, this technique can help you find plenty of backlink opportunities. If you want to search for backlink gaps, you have two options. Option 1, search for backlink gaps manually. You will need to compare the link profile of your competitors and search for backlinks they have, but you don't. A tedious task, to say the least. I don't recommend that option because it will take you too long. Option 2, use a backlink gap tool that automatically finds backlink gaps for you. That's what most people do because the other option isn't really viable, to be honest. If you're looking for such a tool, I highly recommend that you give ours a try. It is included in our all-in-one SEO tool suite called SERP.net. I will show you how it works. You will see that it's super easy to find backlink gaps using this tool. This will save you hours of tedious work. To run a backlink gaps search in SERP.net, open Backlinks Explorer, which is located under the SEO analysis section in the tools menu. Then click on the blue plus button located at the top right. As you can see, you have two options here. Single site search to run a regular Backlinks Explorer search to check the backlink profile of any site or domain, and backlink gaps search to find backlink opportunities. If you click on Start here, you will be redirected to a search form where you must enter your site. It can be your own site or client site, of course, and competitors. Then simply click on Find Backlink Opportunities. The backlink gap search is running. It only takes a few seconds. Here is the results page. As you can see, we have a list of domains here. So for example, here we can see that all 4 sites have a backlink on matthewwoodward.co.uk. If I click here, I can see more information, including the source URL, citation flow and trust flow of the source URL, target URL, first index date, and last seen date. Let's find a domain where competitors have a link on, but we don't. This one, for example, we can see that 3 competitors have a link on this domain, so maybe we could have one too. Here you need to check what kind of links they got. Then obviously it depends on the type of backlink. If it's someone's blog, you will need to outreach the owner. If it's a directory, you will need to submit a form to get listed. If it's a forum, you will need to create an account, fill out your profile, and start posting messages. You get the idea. This is a great way to find backlink opportunities, especially if you want to build a link strategy based on competitor analysis, or if you have a new site or blog and want to catch up with competitors. At the bottom of the table, you can see a nice link intersection graph, which shows you how many referring domains these sites have in common, and you can see this data in the form of a table here. Alright, that's it. You now know how to find backlink opportunities using the backlink gap technique. To give SERP.net a try, visit SERP.net or click on the link located in the description under this video. We offer a 15-day trial of all our tools for just $7, as well as a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have absolutely nothing to lose. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.